Hello, we're at the Miami School of Flower Design. Here is our first project. We did all around the lower deck. We set the penthouse, then we filled in with our upper deck and made this little beehive design of flowers. It's from, I'm not going to show her today. She's going to be ready on Saturday when she does her wedding. But my student has only been here 3 days, and the first day she was having trouble, and I said today she just arrived. Here is her second design, Fleurs and Planter. It's a classic American design. We set our lines down the end and our mass flowers in this area. Spectacular. Here is her sunflower, her topiary tree. How pretty is that? Let's give it a spin. She did a great basing on it. Pretty little topiary made out of sunflowers, and this is called caging. We caged it in here at the Miami School of Flower Design. And here is her cascade she made, an all-natural bridal cascade, using, I'm going to pick it up, not using any tacky plastic holders on the backside. It's all natural, woven through her hand, like the reins of 100 horses. This is all held hand in her hand like that. It is great. You are doing fantastic today. So I just wanted to brag about her work. You're going to meet her on Saturday when she does her wedding. We're at the Miami School of Flower Design, flowerschool101.com. Gorgeous.